guys, in today's video we're going to be replacing the battery from within this unit, plus unboxing the new battery that we ordered online. So let's get started first with unboxing, and then we're just going to take out the battery. So let's just put this on the side. Now this came really fast, actually, and it took a few days, and that was it. So let's just open up the box where it came in. Okay, so the box where this came in was a little banked up. This seems to be open, but I guess that's alright. Since they threw it around so much, it makes sense. But this is quite protected, so we should be okay. So the type of box that this comes in would be something like this. Okay, so I'll just take you around the box, because I know some of you may be watching this unboxing just to see if the battery you're ordering is a legit one or a fake. So this was ordered straight from the actual website, from iRobot, so it came straight from them. That's how I know it's legit, because it's from them, straight from them. Do have a video of me ordering and showing you guys how to order these guys. Anyways, here is the battery that we've all been waiting for. So it looks good. It looks exactly like the one that's inside the robot itself. So that's perfect. And I will be taking the old battery apart so you guys can see what's inside, because it's made out of several batteries put together. So it's kind of funny, but not funny, because they charge so much money for these batteries. But anyways, let's just get started. Let's go on the back of your robot. We're gonna go back here. We're gonna take a screwdriver. Hopefully something bigger than this. This one's a little too small for the job. That's okay. It's a pretty fast job, so it's down here below. Let's take this up. We're gonna see the old battery in there. Of course, it's the original one, and all we have to do is just bring it up. There we go. So let me just show you from this angle. Right here, that's connected, so we don't have to pull this up. I would say never pull from the wires, but this battery is done for, so who cares? Technically you would need this and just pull it up, but again, we're getting rid of this old battery. Here's the old battery, the original battery, and we're going to take a look at the new battery. So that's the new battery on the right side. That's the original old battery. So we're going to go all the way around, take a look at it to see if there's any differences, and there really shouldn't be. Except for the bottom, obviously, but that's okay. Take a good look at the wires. Also, this is the new, by the way. Again, this is the new battery. This is the old. So what I'm gonna do to the old is just show you guys what's underneath. So you guys pull this up. It's the same thing with the new battery, by the way. Pull this out. You guys can see all these other things. And it's gonna be the exact same thing with the new battery. If I take the new battery, it's an original battery, by the way, again, I want to stress that enough. So there we go, finally. Kind of tough for me without any nails to do that. Anyways, you would see all these directions inside. So that's the norm when it comes to these original batteries. Just put it back. Anyways, there we go. It's all good. And right now we're going to install it. So it's pretty simple the way you install it. You can't really put this the wrong way, because it just will not fit. But what you want to do is put this. See, it's a little bit thicker here, and right here it's all these holes. So that goes against the wall part of it. So that's exactly what we're going to do. See the back here? That goes against that. So we're going to place this like so. We're just going to press that in there. Again, you can use some tools for this to help you out. You have bigger fingers, but you should be able to just, right there. That's the most important part. Just make sure your robot does not turn on at this point. So you want the cables to go kind of on the side. We don't want it to get in the way. Later on, we won't be able to put this on the top again. I'm just going to put this like so. Put it there and then start screwing it down. Obviously, for this entire process, we do need the robot to be turned off. Do not turn it on at any point. Only once it's installed, you guys can go ahead and turn it back on. So right now, that's exactly what I'm going to do and test it out. But right now, for this video, we're actually all done with unboxing and installing of the new battery. Anyways, if you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.